Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. This simple process ensures your vehicle accurately tracks its next service interval. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off. Then, find the information or menu button, usually located on your dashboard or steering wheel. Press this button just once to illuminate your instrument panel display. Next, you will need to navigate to the service reminder screen. Continue pressing the same information button repeatedly. You will cycle through various display options. Keep pressing until you see the service reminder or maintenance screen. This display usually shows the remaining miles and months until your next scheduled service. Once you are on the service reminder screen, it's time to perform the reset. Press and hold the information button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. You will notice the wrench icon or the service indicator light start to flash. After it flashes, press the information button one more time. This action confirms your selection and clears the maintenance reminder. To complete the process, turn your vehicle's ignition off completely. Then, restart the engine to verify that the service reminder light is no longer illuminated. The oil life indicator should now be reset to 100%. Always remember to consult your specific owner's manual for any unique instructions related to your vehicle model. This entire procedure typically takes less than 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.